Lesson number 3 means tiger whisker, and you can see in this picture I have shared a picture of tiger having long hairs near his mouth. So this is known as whisker. We will start reading the chapter. Lesson third, the tiger's whiskers. As earlier also I told you, whiskers meaning means a long projecting hair. As I shown you in a picture, a long projecting hair of tiger. So now we will read the story. And so suppose you have difficulty in solving a problem. What would you do? Will you give up or continue trying till you succeed? Yes, we should never give up, children. This should be a habit in us. We should never give up. We should always keep on trying. If we keep on trying, one day we will succeed. Yes, we had some twists and turns while we are doing hard work, but one day that hard work will pay back us. हम हार्ड वर्क करना चाहिए, चाहे हमारी लाइफ में कितने भी ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स आए वो एम को लेने के लिए, बट वी शुड ट्राई आवर बेस्ट. सो विलियम हिस्कर, अ वेल नोन पोएट, विलियम Hickson was a well known poet, and he said, "'Tis a lesson you should heed, try again and again. If at first you didn't succeed, try again and again." Yes, it should not be like that the first time we try something and we does not succeed, so next time we are not going to do that. Yes, but we should try it again and again. Now get set. A young woman by the name of Young Oak came one day to the cottage of a mountain hermit. Hermit, I told you, is a person who lives alone and leads to a simple religious life. "Oh, Holy Father," he said. Who said? Yun Ok said, "Oh, Holy Father," she said, "I am in a deep distress. If you do not help me, I am truly lost." That Yun Ok said to the hermit. Hermit is a person who lives alone and leads to a simple life, religious life, like saint and all. Okay, so here that lady Young Ok went to that hermit and said that, "Oh, Holy Father, I am in a deep distress. मैं बहुत distress में हूँ, and I need a help from you. I need a help from you, and I'm totally lost, and I'm not able to work. I'm totally lost." "Well, what is your problem?" said hermit. Then hermit said, "Well, tell me your problem." Okay. "Oh, Father," she said, "for the past 3 years my husband has been away fighting in the wars. Now that he has returned, he hardly ever speak to me. He used to love me dearly, but now he is a changed man. If I speak to him, he doesn't seem to hear. If ever he talks to me, he says very roughly. If the food is not to his liking, he pushes it away and leaves the room angrily." What was the problem of that young oak? The young oak problem was that his husband was fighting in the wars. When he came back home, when he came back home, so the husband was not treating young oak properly. Okay, so he was, again, when he was not making food of her choice, of his choice, so he used to leave that food and went out of the room angrily. And when he used to when she used to speak to something to her husband, so that time also he gave him bad answers. Okay, so that lady was not happy with that, so he went to the hermit. वो hermit के पास जाती हैं, वो अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स बताती हैं कि मेरी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ये हैं कि मेरे हस्बैंड मुझे अच्छे से रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हैं, एंड व्हेन मैं उनकी पसंद का खाना नहीं बनाती हूँ, सो वो खाने को साइड करके और वो रूम के बाहर चले जाते हैं एंग्रीली. सो hermit listened to his problem. "Dear, it does happen sometimes," said the hermit. "When young men come back home after the wars, their hearts are full of bitterness. Okay, when the hermit said it's okay, sometime it's happened because the man just returned from the war, and sometime they just act like this because they have returned from the war. And the war, when the war begins or when there's a time of war, the person who is fighting war is totally very distressed and very stressful, and she don't know what sorry and he don't know what happened at what time. उन्हें ये नहीं पता रहता है कि वॉर में कब क्या हो जाएगा, और वहाँ की जो भी सिचुएशंस रहती हैं वो उसको देखकर वो थोड़े से मतलब बिटरनेस मीन्स थोड़ा सा कड़वा सा प्रभाव हो जाता है उनके ऊपर. ओके, प्लीज़ फादर गिव मी सम potion that will make my husband loving and gentle as he used to be. And earlier the husband of Young Ok was very happy, very loving and very caring, but when he returned from the war he was not doing what he was earlier. So the Young Ok told to hermit that give me some potion, a liquid. A potion means a liquid that has magic powers. Potion means a liquid that has magic powers. So the young oak said that if the father just give me that potion, that magical power, so that I will give that potion to my husband, and again he will be a gentle person. A potion for your husband, said the hermit. Well, come back after 3 days and I will tell you what I should need for such a potion. And when the lady told her problem to hermit, so hermit said that okay, I will give you the potion for your husband, but come after 3 days. आप मेरे पास 3 दिन बाद आना. You come after 3 days. I will tell you what the things I need for पोशन. मुझे क्या लगेगा पोशन के देने के लिए, मैं वो आपको बताऊंगा. 3 days later, Young Oak came back to hermit. Okay, I have thought over your problem, said the hermit. To make the potion you want, I will need the whisker of a living tiger. Bringing me a living tiger whisker, and I will make the potion you want. Okay, when after 3 days that lady went to that hermit, then the hermit said to Young Oak that I need whisker of living tiger. Whisker means these long hairs. I told you earlier also. I want these whisker to make that potion. I will give you the potion, but I need a living tiger whisker. मुझे एक जीता हुआ टाइगर का whisker चाहिए. मुझे एक जीता हुआ शेर का whisker चाहिए. Okay, so the whisker of a living tiger, said the woman in surprise. How could it be possible for me to get such a thing? Then very surprisingly that woman said to that hermit that how can I bring a whisker of living tiger? मैं एक जीते हुए टाइगर का whisker कैसे ला सकती हूँ? How can it be possible? You will find it if you think the potion is really important, said the hermit. Then he stood up and walked out to his cottage. Then hermit said, if you really want the potion for your husband, so you have to do that, and if you will do that, you will get the potion. Otherwise, no. Okay. So then the lady just stood out of the cottage of that hermit. Young Oak went back home. She thought a great deal about how he could get a tiger's whisker. Then one night when her husband was sleeping, she quietly crept from her house with a bowl of a meat in her hand. She went. Okay, so Young Oak went back home, and then he started thinking, how can I go to a living tiger, and how can I bring a whisker? So he keep on thinking for that, and one night when her husband was sleeping. So what the lady did, the lady just very quietly crept from the house. Crept means moved slowly. Very slowly she moved out of her house with a bowl of meat. Why did can you tell me, student, why did that lady Young Oak went with a bowl of meat? Because tigers love to eat meat. Okay, to a place in the forest where tigers was known to live. Then the lady went to that forest where tiger was living. Standing far off from the tiger cave, she helped out the bowl of food towards the tiger. The tiger looked at it but did not move at all. So that lady went there where the tiger was living, and he went with the bowl of meat. The tiger had seen the bowl of meat, but the tiger moved not at all. While seeing the lady, the tiger doesn't respond to anything. The next night, Yung Ong went again. So that lady, next night, one day he didn't succeed. So the next day he again went there. This time she came a little closer to the tiger's cave. Now, and this time when the lady went again, so he went to something too closer. वो थोड़ा पास जाती है to the tiger's cave. Again she held out a bowl of food, but the beast did not care. Again the next day also that lady had taken a bowl of meat, but the tigers didn't respond to anything. Night after night, she would go to the mountain, getting each time a few steps closer to the tiger's cave. And again, that lady used to go to that tiger's cave with a bowl of meat, but tigers was not responding. And one night, she walked almost to the mouth of the cave. And one night, as he was trying again and again, but he was not able to succeed, so that day that lady went to the gate of that cave. Okay, this time the tiger moved a few steps towards the woman. When the lady go close to the cave, so this time the tiger living inside the cave come closer to the lady. Okay, the two stood the two stood looking at each other in the moonlight. So when they both went close to each other, the tiger and Young Oak, so they both was seeing each other in the moonlight. Moonlight means chandrama ki roshni. They were so close to that Young Oak could not talk to the tiger in a soft and gentle voice. They were so close, and they were so close that Young Oak could talk. The young oak started talking to that tiger in this very soft and gentle voice. The tiger looked long into her eyes, and then the food she had brought for him. First of all, the tiger looked in deeply into that woman's eyes, and then the tiger see to that food what she brought. When Young Oak came again the next night, she found the tiger waiting for her on the trail. When the Young Oak went to the second night, so the tiger, when Young Oak was there near the cave, so she saw that tiger was waiting on the trail. Trail means a track of path. On that path, the tiger was waiting for that lady. After the tiger had eaten the food brought from him, Young Oak crazed. And when the tiger eat that meat, the Young Oak, so that lady, touched the tiger with great affection. वो बहुत प्यार से उसको टच करती हैं. Okay, so his head gently with her hands. This continued for many days. The lady used to go daily at night and give some food to and give some meat to eat to that tiger. And when the tiger was eating, this lady very gently she touched the tiger. Then one night, grazing the tiger's head lovingly, Young Oak said, "Oh gentle tiger, I want one of your whiskers. Please don't be angry when I have it." And one day the lady told to that tiger that, "I want your whisker, so I will take your whisker, but don't be angry." Okay, and she snipped off one of a tiger's whisker. Snipped means she, as you can see in the picture, one day she cut one hair of that with scissor. With help of scissors, she cut tiger's whisker. Okay, and she snipped off one of the tiger's whisker. The tiger was not angry at all, and the tiger, when the lady cutted the tiger's whisker, the tiger was not angry. Okay, early next morning she went running to hermit cottage and said, "Holy father, I got what you need for potion. I have got to the tiger's whisker." And early morning, the next morning, the lady went running to that hermit cottage, and then when he went there, the lady said that, "Oh father, I bought that potion, tiger's whisker. What you need for the potion, I bought the tiger's whisker." The hermit took the whisker and dropped into fire burning in the cottage, in his cottage. And when the lady gave that whisker to that hermit, and in hermit cottage there was fire burning, so that hermit put that hair in tiger's oh sorry hermit put the tiger's whisker into the fire. "Oh sir," the young woman cried, "what you have done! I got it after so much efforts." So the hermit, that lady Jungkook, said to that hermit that, I went many times to that tiger, and I was very afraid, and by going again and again, I bought this tiger whisker. And what you did, you just taken from me, and you just put that whisker in fire. आपने मुझसे वो हेयर ले लिया और आपने वो फायर मतलब उसको आग में डाल दिया. मैंने इतनी मुश्किल से उसको लिया है. "Tell me how you got it," said the hermit. And then the hermit said, "How you got it? Tell me the thing. Tell me the whole story behind how you got the tiger's whisker. मुझे पूरी स्टोरी बताओ, जो आप कैसे गई और कैसे टाइगर का whisker लेके आई." "Okay, every night I went to the tiger living on the mountain side." Now that lady started sharing his story. "Every night I went to the tiger living on the mountain. I would take with me a bowl of food, but I was afraid and kept a good distance from the tiger. By and by, I overcome my fear and went a little closer. At last, one night, the tiger ate the food I had brought for him. Then a time came when he could stand on the trail waiting for me. He could eat out of the bowl in my hand, and then it was not difficult for me to have one of his whisker." Now that a lady told that every night I should go and just stand away from the tiger, and I should always daily, I had a bowl of meat. I should what he did, I the lady told that every night I carry a bowl of meat for that tiger, but I should not go to the close because I was little afraid. But one night I saw that before going on the path, when I was going to a tiger's cave, I saw that tiger was waiting for me. And that day I just leave I just feel something happy that the tiger was waiting for me. So I just went close to the tiger, and I said to the tiger that, I want your whisker for potion." So the tiger didn't when I was cutting the hair from the tiger, so the tiger was not angry, and I brought that whisker. "So you won the tiger's confidence through love," said the hermit. Then hermit said, do you want this confidence? आपको जो ये confidence आया through your love, आपने जो tiger को love, आपका जो love और caring side बताया, so you got that. When you show your love and caring side to the tiger, you got the confidence and you brought the whisker. "Yes, but now all my efforts has come to nothing," said Jungkook very sadly. "You have thrown the whisker in the fire." And then the lady said, "Now my efforts is nothing. मैंने जो भी whatever I have done for bringing that whisker, for making that potion, now it is worthless because you just throw that whisker into the fire. You have no need of potion now." So the whisker was useless. Jungkook, I I ask you a question: is a man more precious than a tiger? If you can win the love and confidence of a wild beast, you can surely do the same thing with your husband. There can be none who can't be won through love. So, then the hermit said to that lady, Jung Ok, you don't need any potion for your husband. You don't need any potion for your husband. And if is a man more precious means, is a man more strong than than a tiger. The tiger is, yes, the tiger is more strong than a man. If you can win the love and confidence of a wild beast, yes, we know that the tiger is very harmful. And if that lady can win the love of the tiger, she can also win the love of his हस्बैंड. यदि वो टाइगर का मतलब लव ले मतलब और केयरिंग मतलब टाइगर से उसकी जो भी मतलब टाइगर के पास जाना, डेली जाना और मतलब अपने जो भी पोषण के लिए जो उसको करना था उसने वो किया. सो शी कैन डू द सेम थिंग विथ हर हस्बैंड ऑल्सो. So you don't need any potion. Then the hermit said, you don't need any potion. If you can win the love of tiger, so you can win the love of your husbands too. There can be none who can't be won through love. If you love someone, so you will get the love by him. Hearing this, Yungong was speechless. She got up through the hermit feet and went back home. She always kept in her mind what the hermit had said. And after what the hermit had said that lady Yungkok that you can if you can sorry if you can love that if you want love from your husband and you win the love of tiger by going him daily and giving him meat to eat, so same thing you can do for your husband. But you have to hard work daily. If you will do the hard work, you will get back the good feedback, and if you will not do the hard work, you will not get the feedback. Yes, that lady did a feedback that being afraid from the tiger, he went daily to the tiger for getting the whisker. So the same thing he can do with her husband also. For getting him love and care again, he has to work for that. He has to pay some hard work for that. So in this story, the summary is that if you have to achieve something, you have to do hard work for that. And if you don't do that hard work, so you will not achieve that. So for doing anything, a small thing also, we need hard work, students. For getting good marks in exam, we need to do hard work. We need to revise our lessons daily, learn it, and how to write, we should have to learn that. So now I'm closing this chapter, and you have to read this chapter. If you have any problem while reading this chapter or by solving the question answers, please contact me, and you can contact me from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so this is your time for contacting me. If you can't contact, just drop a message on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so thank you class, have a nice day and be safe. Okay, thank you.